Okay, Juan is the pastry chef.
Okay.
Hey, Josephina, what are you doing? Okay. So you guys, when you run the sheets, right? You're gonna run them opposite of what they are now, right? Because you don't want to end up with the same cracks.
Correct.
Right?
Yep. We'll run long way this way with the sheet. It'll come out 4 foot off the wall this way, and whatever it is, that length that way.
Yeah. And did they show you where the sheets are?
Not yet.
Okay, they're in the shop, so let me call.
Probably the same place we cut last time, I'm guessing.
Down the road?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, the machine room over there.
Yeah.
Hold me to the bottom of that cove, would ya? Where it's gonna sit flat. I'm guessing it's probably about 1/4 inch material, Nick, so I'm thinking sitting at the bottom of that cove, right?
Yep.
$121 and probably a half. Let's go this way.
So it's
That could
48,
work.
right? 4 feet?
Yeah.
48, 96. And you have 121, so that would give you 421, 26 inches for the last sheet, right?
Yep.
So if you want, let me call the pastry chef.
Let's do this way too. That'll work good because that'll put a full sheet this way over the entrance. How you doing?
Oh, there it is. Okay, do you have a rack in here or no? No, it's all carts.
It's all cars, all cars.
No racks?
No racks.
None at all, okay.
None at all.
So they have to cut, the last sheet is going to be 26 inches wide. Where would you like it? This side or that side?
That's it.
That side.
Yeah.
So there'll be a rip up against this wall like this, you're
Yeah.
saying?
Yeah.
All the way down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yep, we can do that. For sure.
So where does 8 feet come?
8 feet
Right
is
here.
gonna be pretty good.
Yeah,
That puts a
actually-
full sheet here.
Yeah. You're going to take that lip off the door
Yeah, we can
Lift
pull
it.
that up.
a little bit?
We can
Slide
probably
it
pull
under?
that up and slide it under.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll put it there, right? So then that'll give you that last piece, will give you how much? Looks like about 4 feet. 5 feet. 5 and 3. 5 feet, just under 2 3/4, 2 7/8. Right?
Probably go 5, 2, and yes, 3/4. You're right. 5, 2 1/4.
So then you'll caulk all the seams, right?
Yep.
Okay. How long to dry?
24 hours for silicone to dry.
Okay.
With the fan on it, it'll go a lot faster.
Okay.
And it being warm in here, it'll go a lot faster.
Yeah. So that's fine.
Yep.
So he just needs to know, so when he reloads, by the time you finish today, it's 3. You can probably reload tomorrow at 5 o'clock.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
And we'll put the fans on it right away, and like I said, rush it. It'll dry faster.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay?
You guys want to look at Garmager before I go back down?
Yeah, let's go take a look at that. I think we can get some sheets
If
for
you need
this.
anything, just ask Juan.
Okay.
He'll get it for you, or he'll call me.
My name's Marshall.
Marshall.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks, Juan. Yo.
I think it'd be best we get ourselves a few big sheets, get up here,
Yeah.
get a couple laid down. Then we can get measurements for what we actually got where things fit. You know what I'm saying?
He's as blind as he comes.
Yeah, come on, Chad.
He's our best worker. Come on. That's
Yep,
getting
we did
desperate.
this one too. do
The
those
gentlemen
ones.
are here, will be working on the floor later today, hopefully. If not, they'll be here tomorrow. This is Curtis.
Hello,
Nice to meet you.
What's your names again? I forgot.
Marshall.
Marshall.
My name's
or
Marshall.
Nick.
Nick. Marshall and Nick.
Alright.
We gotta take this shit off. The engineer came in here and I don't know why they put this on there.
Okay.
You take it off or you want me to call engineering?
We can get that, I think.
It's just rivets, it looks like, right?
Or-
You go right over it. It's in
I
a
don't-
weird spot because you're going
It is.
almost on a downhill.
We might want to see what they want to do with that.
Do engineering?
Possibly, or whoever's the boss man.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, we can go right over it. It's gonna put a little lump in it with those rivets and that
No, that's
metal.
what I don't want.
We
So
might
we
want to
push
take
parts
that
in and
off
out.
and seal it. I don't know.
Yeah, there you go.
This one's doing tomorrow, right?
Well, that one's the priority.
Okay.
After you finish that one, if you get to this one today, fine.
Okay.
If you don't, then tomorrow this is the one.
Maybe we'll get an answer on this by the time we get to it. We'll start with that other one.
So let me call right now.
Okay?
Because what I'm thinking is you could take this off right away or have them take it off, seal it, let the colt dry, and then you guys come in. And,
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
So
That'd
let
be
me
a
make
good
phone
idea.
call.
That'd keep it nice and smooth. All right. You going that way? Going up? Huh. I'm gonna do it again, Nick.
There you go.
Use the brain cell this time. 1, right?
MR.
MR? We're on 1. Thank you. Okay,
Where do they all go?
big one there.
Oh, Dad, you got a factory?
Yep.